Meaning of festival.
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 Festival. A festival is a celebration or a series of events that are held to commemorate or mark a specific occasion or holiday. Typically, festivals involve a gathering of people who come together to enjoy various forms of entertainment, such as music, dance, food, and drink. Festivals often have cultural and historical significance, and they may be religious or secular in nature. They can take place in a variety of settings, including public spaces, temples, churches, and private homes. Ultimately, festivals are a way for people to connect with each other and to celebrate the things that unite them.